Hey guys, so we've got an open house coming up this weekend, and I just kind of want to reach out and give you some ideas and tips on what we need to do to get ready for the open house. So first thing is just going to be kind of like a general cleanup. Sounds super simple, just vacuuming around, getting any loose items up off the floor. Wipe down the countertops. If you've got like a stainless steel fridge and it shows fingertips, just wipe it down, morning of. If you have dog beds, cat beds, dog crates, that sort of thing, if you can, put them in the garage the night before, just so if we've got somebody that's super sensitive to dog or cat dander, we can have it out the night before. That way it's not overwhelming them who are not used to smelling dogs and cats. The smell isn't going to overwhelm them as they walk in the house. Also from a time standpoint, so let's just say, for example, your open house is from 1 to 3. Plan to be out of your house 30 minutes before and come back 30 minutes later than your open house. So I like the agent I'm going to tell to get there 30 minutes early so they're set up and ready for people to be there right on time. And also, there's always going to be somebody showing up right at, if it ends at 3 o'clock, they're going to show up at 2:50 to walk through the house. So just go ahead and plan if the open house is from 1 to 3, plan to be gone from 12:30 to 3:30. As always, if you got any questions, reach out to me. I'm here for you, and I'll talk to you guys soon.